This one I've not attempted to undo yet. I'm just going to hammer on the okay, that's on like that. So the line of pull, the line of effort is going to be across here. Ideally it would be exactly in line with the centre of the job, or the centre of the bolt, because when you go to undo you twist it as well, don't you? And you want the twist to be equal on both sides and in the centre. So get that on there. Just like that. See how it's twisting already? This one's going to get worse. So I'm trying to counteract the twist. There we go. That's it. I'm still not quite ready for turning the spanner around. So screw it back up a bit. So it's immediately dried out. That was the heat. So I want to get some copper slip in those threads if I can. I think it was twisting because both the spanners were pointing out the way. You can tell these need replaced because there was a bit of play in them, but you can see it's split there. You can tell that the weight has been forced in that direction on this one, and on this one it's been forced in that direction. Looks pretty central there. On here it's been forced over that way and it's starting to pull it out. This is due to misalignment, possibly due to tightening up when the car was in the air.